My landmine used to be the major cause of amputation in Cambodia, but not anymore in the recent year. A road traffic accident has become a major cause of disability in Cambodia. We are seeing more and more complex cases of disability for children with cerebral palsy, poliomyelitis, spina bifida. ឈ្មោះនាងពិសិដ្ឋអាយុ 9 ឆ្នាំវារួចកាលភាពតាំងពីកំណើតពេលមិនទាន់ពាក់រណបវាពិបាកដើរអត់រួចនាងខ្ញុំឡើងលក្ខណៈอยู่18ឆ្នាំ មូលហេតុខ្ញុំជាលម្អទៅផ្ទះអមទៅពេលហើយលម្អនឹងវាបែកបដាងបែកក្លាប់លម្អ
When we work as a P&O, we can produce the device to replace the missing part for them and be able them to go back to the community.
In Cambodia, we have not seen any change. We have been using the ICSC technology since 1991. My goal, I want to work more effectively, more faster.
The first thing we realized was we couldn't just come in and kind of make prosthetics. What we really needed to do was increase the capacity of the local clinical personnel.
Hand casting, we use a lot of materials. It will be dirty and take a lot of time. Compared to 3D printing, we are using the scanning, just capture the patient stump around like that.
And then we transfer to the software and then modify that shape. And then we send that to the printer and then the printer print the socket.
I think make the job is easier.
We figured out this idea to speed up and make more efficient a lot of the manual labor that goes into the production of a prosthetic, while still conserving the expertise of the clinical personnel.
This technology will help improve the prosthetic and orthotic field and finally to offer better device to the patient. ពេលពាក់រណបបានដើរលេងនៅក្រៅផ្ទះទៅរៀនរត់លេងជាមួយមិត្តភ័ក្តិវា
Ultimately, it's up to the prosthetic and orthotic personnel. It's in their hands to solve the problems of the children in these contexts.
គេដើរលេងជាមួយគេបានអាចធ្វើអ្វីៗបានទោះយើងមិនអាចដូចជើងយើងប៉ះប៉ុន្តែយើងអាចជួយជំនួយយើងបាន